When we talk about phase shift, what we're really talking about is a transformation in the horizontal direction. So it's a horizontal shift. And it's a phase because we change the phase of the period, how it moves. So if we look at, we have y equals a sine bx plus c plus d. We can look at each part. A is the amplitude, and that's how far, if I look at a graph, if I look at this, it's how far from here to here, or from here to here. The amplitude is half of the whole distance. So it's basically half the range. D is my vertical shift. B helps us with the period, right? That's a horizontal compression, and we say that 2 pi over b tells us what the period is. And C is involved in the phase shift. So, but because I have a b there, it's not quite that. So I know that for all my functions, if I could start at 0, so if I start at 0, I know what it would be. So if I set bx plus c equal to 0, I can, bx is negative c and x is negative c over b. That is my phase shift. That's how much I'm moving. So that when if I put negative c over b in for x, that would be like what my 0 point was originally in my for my key points. So same works for cosine. Everything's the same except for cosine, so we still have the same thing. So what we're going to do is when we're going to look for to find our phase shift or our horizontal shift by solving, and then I know that's where I start. And then if I look at my period, I take my period and I divide that by 4. That tells me how much I'm going to. That's my change in x for my key points, for my 5 key points. So we'll use all that in some examples.